is not just about publicity, it's really about understanding who we're talking to and building that mutually beneficial relationship of trust and reliability.
What made me choose public relations is the versatility in all the industry.
You can really go into either sports, entertainment, government, health, like any industry with PR.
Our major in public relations at the University of Arizona is focused on student success. We are very grounded in teaching students the skills, the fundamentals, the knowledge that they need to have in order to be successful.
As someone who came into college not really sure where I wanted to end up, being able to be in the public relations minor opened up so many doors, and every single industry needs a PR person or a communicator, and knowing these skills has been really essential to me in finding out what I want to do in the future.
A project that felt the most real world for me was my PR campaign class, working throughout the whole semester with a group as if you were working for a company, and doing their hat campaign from start to finish felt super real.
Our classes are designed to be rooted in the principles of strategic, effective public relations with a strong focus on ethics, critical decision-making skills, and of course, experiential learning opportunities.
My PR classes has definitely helped me out become more strategic, more articulate with my words and writing, and be more outstanding when it comes to networking and being able comfortable to be around different people in different industries as well.
The thing I love about PR is the ethical stewardship of communication towards organizations that allow us to build really strong research-based relationships with our publics.
If you are a student who's thinking about studying public relations, I encourage you to come visit us, check out our degree program, talk to one of our amazing advisors, and find out if a degree in public relations is right for you.